Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your list in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the Booking app, and here it opens up in the search menu where we can look for accommodations. From here we just have to tap on the saved menu, and then go back. So we have the list of the lists that we have. And now if we want to share one of these lists, we just tap on the three buttons next to the name of it and then tap on share. And here we can select how we want to share it. It's either WhatsApp, messages, or Gmail, or we have some more options as well. You can tap on that and then select one from this list. And yeah, thereby we can share it with whomever we want to. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.